Hi friend, myself Adam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here making one video about the Nocolize spray. This is main purpose for the disinfection for virus and fungus. Nowadays we are facing here to the corona. So this is the very biggest virus. For this virus we can say for this how we use or what it will work this chemical and how we are operating this machine. This one I will explaining on this video. So friends, here we having here is the this is the Nocolize spray. This is the chemical bottle. This one provided by Oxypharma. You can see from the France, and just remove this cap and apply this your bottle here. After when you fix it here, just apply here in this. When you starting this machine, before starting just set this your diameter, how many area is your room, all or this every in your surface area. Adjust this one. If 10 by 10 your room, just go here the 25% more than here. This is the your area like this one is adjust like this adjust, and here is given by one switch. This for the operating, just to push, and this one blinking the your sound ping 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 ping, or after this one automatically start and automatically close also, because of you are setting already here. So that's it for the operating system. Now I gonna go to the explain about this chemical. So friends, this is the dry fumigation based on the hydrogen and peroxide is and the efficient. Even the sporadical disinfection method for the hard and soft surface in closed area such as rooms, work space, cabins, ambulance, etc. like this. You can use the halls, mess hall, gym hall, everywhere. You can use to the public area like a station, bus station, railway station, airport side also. And but this one needs to be closed after use. This should be closed area, not the outside open area. The method does not requiring sealing to the doors and turning down the air conditional, but during fumigation and contact time the premise can not be to the entire disinfection time. Nebulization, the device will be the audioable like a bing 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 blinking. This period of the time is followed by the withdrawal time, the depending of the size your space in 30 minutes to the 1 hour. The device dispensation Nocolize disinfection according to the priorly defined rooms volumes 1 ml cubic to meter dozen to the 1 oblique to the 7 ml m cube when you used this. So with withdrawal time to 2 hour. Nocolize spray Nocolize fumigation is the recommended as to the after cleaning producer under special and circumstance. If the purpose to the prevent exposure to the personal, fumigation can be done before manual cleaning your procedures. And friends, where you keeping this one or how many temperature also taking this chemical bottle. This one also I am explain this. This one temperature is 5 to the 25 if unopen it this bottle 5 to 25. After you open it 5 to 25, this one expiry date will be 2 years on open it period. After open it period, this one only for the 2 months, friends. This for need the temperature only 5 to the 25 degree. When you connect to the power cord is Nocolage spray in electrical outlets placed. This for the corner of the room, place of the Noco tested strips and the evaluated of volume of the space. Select the correct value 50 to the 1000 cubic. Here friends I will explain this 50 to 1000 cubic this one. After this during this warning sound will be 10 seconds. Pling pling pling. Leave this room, close the door and come out and seal it and air also. After finish this one you have to leave it that room in minimum 30 minutes. Then you can go and use your normal activities there. So friends, for safety instruction, this one product safety data sheet you can download from the Google Chrome also. How we use, what kinds of the equipment for safety we need. No need too much more, only gloves, one goggle, face mask, or if you having the helmet, that is enough for you, and safety shoes. This is the enough for safety data sheet. So how is video, friends? I gonna go to the explain about this one in Hindi language also. So दोस्तों ये हमारा एक वायरस को रोकने के लिए और फंगस को रोकने के लिए और उनको मारने के लिए या फिनिश करने के पर्पज से ये बनाया गया है। ये एक नोको फार्मा इसको बनाया और ये फ्रांस का कंपनी है। ऑक्सी फार्मा बनाया ऑक्सफार्म ने और फ्रांस का ये कंपनी है। और ये मशीन आपको बेसिकली हॉस्पिटल और मेडिकल साइड में यूज होता है। आजकल जो हमारे लिए जो यहाँ कोरोना चला है तो ये हम घर में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं क्योंकि हम इससे सेफ रहना चाहते हैं। कोई भी वायरस और कोई भी फंगस हमको अटैक हो हम नहीं चाहते, इसलिए ये हम घर में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और कॉमर्शियल और इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया बोथ ऑफ प्लेस हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं इसको। तो ये क्या क्या काम करता है हमने बताया। ये एक फंगस और वायरस को मारने का काम करता है। एक सिंपल वर्ड में इसका काम ये है। तो कोई भी किसी भी काइंड का वायरस हो या फंगस हो नया टाइप का, तो वो सब जो है ये फिनिश करने का काम करेगा दोस्तों। सो ये हमारे जब हम यूज़ करेंगे, पहले हम यूज़ में रूम में लगाएंगे। रूम में लगाने के बाद हम इसको स्टार्ट करेंगे। स्टार्ट करने के बाद रूम का कितना एरिया है वो उस हिसाब से आप सिलेक्ट करोगे, ये वाला एडजस्ट करोगे। बाद में यहाँ जाके ये जो है ये हमारा स्टार्ट करने का बटन दिया गया है। हम इसको खाली दबाएंगे और ये ऑटोमेटिकली 10 सेकेंड लेगा। 10 सेकेंड के बाद ये ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट होगा और ऑटोमेटिकली ऑफ भी होगा। ऑफ कब होगा आपका ये डिपेंड करता है कितने में आपने सिलेक्ट किया है इसको। जैसे आपका रूम बड़ा है तो थोड़ा बड़ा सिलेक्ट करो, स्क्वायर फीट के हिसाब से कितना स्क्वायर फीट बन रहा है। जैसे 10 बाई 10 है तो 100 स्क्वायर फीट हो गया, तो आप यहाँ पे 25 to the 30 या 50 इस हिसाब से रख सकते हैं, बड़ा रख सकते हैं ये। तो इस हिसाब से ये आपको ऑटोमेटिकली ऑफ होगा। तो सो फ्रेंड्स, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for now. Thank you. So friends, now I am showing you how you starting this video. Just to have to connect your electrical power socket and switch on this. After we having here one switch also, we can off also. If you having off, just on this. Then suppose to this is the my room is 10 by 10, maybe no more. So this room, so I will select here within 25 enough for this. Then here is given to the starting. See, this is the blinking. This one taking to 10 seconds, friends. तो ऐसे ये स्टार्ट होता है, लाइक दिस स्टार्टिंग फ्रेंड्स। सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो। थैंक यू।